Thank you. Deputy Ambassador, Mayor of Oslo, Mayor of London, your worships, councillors, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen, children, pray silence for the Right Worship Hall, the Lord Mayor of the City of Westminster, Councillor Paul Dimoldenberg.
Good evening, London! Friends, honoured guests, welcome once more to another year of the Trafalgar Square Christmas tree ceremony. Today marks the 78th anniversary of the Christmas tree given to Britain by the people of Oslo in thanks for all the aid that Britain provided to Norway during the Second World War. This tradition has remained dear in the hearts of all Londoners throughout those 78 years as a reminder of our proud history, as a testament to our long-lasting friendship with the people of Norway, and as the unofficial start of Christmas in London. I thank you all for coming out to celebrate that tradition with us. And now, before we begin the ceremony in earnest, I invite you all to join us in the singing, The Holly and the Ivy.
Silence for the Lord Mayor.
Once again, welcome everyone to this year's Trafalgar Square Christmas tree ceremony. It's my great pleasure to be here with you all to celebrate the gift of this wonderful tree. and more importantly, its meaning. In 1940, when the Nazis invaded Norway, King Haakon VII escaped and found shelter in London. From there, he and his government in exile helped coordinate the Norwegian resistance against the Nazi occupation. When in 1942, a Norwegian resistance fighter cut down a spruce tree during a raid, he sent it to King Haakon, who in turn gifted the tree to the people of London. And so began a decades-long tradition. And now, every year, the gift of this tree stands as a symbol of the gratitude of the Norwegian people and of the enduring bonds between the United Kingdom and the Kingdom of Norway. Indeed, it is a testament to the closeness of that bond that today, hundreds of miles north from here in Scotland, by coincidence, the Prime Ministers of our two countries are also meeting to reaffirm our alliance and mutual support in defence and security. That is why, sadly, we could not be joined by the Norwegian ambassador or the British ambassador to Oslo this year. They are busy working hard in Scotland, strengthening our country's shared commitment to come to the aid of one another in the face of danger and global threats, just as we did all those years ago. We hope to see them both here again next year, but this year we are delighted to nonetheless be joined by their representatives, and we thank them for being here today in place of the ambassadors. We are ever grateful to the people of Oslo for this gift. The fact that we couldn't imagine Christmas in the city of Westminster without a Norwegian spruce in pride of place here in the heart of the capital. I was privileged to be in Oslo a fortnight ago. Together with the Mayor of Oslo, we felt this Queen of the Forest. The Queen is typically selected years in advance. The trees are chosen are always entirely natural. No special genetic modification, just the simple beauty of the Norwegian forest. And this year's Queen is particularly special because for the first time ever, the tree was chosen by public vote. 3 trees were nominated: Nordic Star, Fjord Fir, and Ever Oslo. And after 2,000 votes, I'm delighted to see the winner and this year's Queen of the Forest, Ever Oslo, take her place here in Trafalgar Square. It was an honour to help fell the spruce before it made its journey to London. Now, after a trip over the North Sea, we see her here in all her glory, at 65 years old, standing at 20 metres high and decorated with lights in a traditional Norwegian style. So, on behalf of the people of London and the city of Westminster, I thank the Mayor and the city of Oslo for this wonderful gift. Before we switch on the lights, I would like now to hand over to the Mayor of Oslo, Lindboe.
Great silence for the Mayor of Oslo, Lindboe.
Lord Mayor, Your Excellencies, Mayor of London, ladies and gentlemen. Hei til alle dere norske som her I dag. Hei alle barn. Fint å se dere. Dear friends, I've been looking forward to presenting this year's Christmas tree from Oslo to you. It's a natural brown Norwegian spruce. The Lord Mayor and I cut down in the forest of Oslo 2 weeks ago. And as the Lord Mayor said, This year, for the first time, we presented the public with 3 potential candidates and invited them to vote online for their favorites. Tinder for trees, if you like. A clear majority of those who participated swiped right for this tree, which has, well, let me present it to you. Mayor of Oslo, doesn't he look great? I agree with the public in their choice. And I think, actually, Lord Mayor, that this year's tree is a man. He is impressively tall, 20 meters to be exact. And to me, he captivates the Christmas spirit perfectly. I'm sure some will comment upon his age. He is in his mid-60s, and it is possible that his branches were stronger and fuller when he was younger. But please be gentle when you talk about his features, though. He has traveled a long way to be with you, and we don't want to offend him. Instead, let him remind us that the true Christmas spirit is about far more than just looks. Oslo's annual Christmas tree gift is an old tradition dating back to 1947. It's a token of gratitude for the help and support we received from the people of Britain during the Second World War. This year, we have another special gift for you, because we have invited the Norwegian Girls Choir to perform for you. And the choir is under the patronage of the Crown Princess of Norway. As we look forward to their angelic voices, let's remember that Christmas is, more than anything, a holiday that belongs to the children. Let's not forget all those who are deprived of their celebration because of war and conflict. I hope that this tree can remind us of what friendship and support means. I hope that this tree, with its light, can offer comfort to those who are struggling. This tree stands as a symbol of love and peace. It's a proof of our two countries' strong ties. And in the coming weeks, this Christmas tree will spread its lights to the people of London and everyone passing by. So, on behalf of the people of Oslo, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope that each of you will have a peaceful Christmas where you can be together and care for one another. God jul fra Oslo til alle dere norske her, altså. So, now, let's make the Christmas tree shine. Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready? Yay! So, I would now like to invite Lord Mayor of Dimoldenberg to join me in switching on the Christmas tree lights. So, let's all count down from 10. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, may I introduce the Norwegian Girls Choir.
Plausible.
Yeah.